How to multiply numbers in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, I'm going to show you how you can multiply numbers. This tutorial is for absolute beginners, and if you are an advanced user, you should skip it. Let's get started. There are tons of advanced way for multiplication in Excel, but we are going to multiply numbers the most easiest and the most basic way. Okay, we have unit price in column A and we have total unit in column B, and I want total price in column C. So in cell C2 I want A2 into B2. So we are going to just write their formula here. As I want to display the result in cell C2, I have selected the cell C2. Then I am going to press equal to, which will tell Excel that this is going to be a formula cell. Okay, we want to multiply. We want to multiply the price with the unit. So I'm going to click on the cell that has price, which is cell A2. Then I'm going to add the asterisk or multiplication sign, and then I'm going to select the unit, which is cell B2. Okay, so I want the result in cell C2 and the calculation will be A2 into B2 that I have written here. Now if I press enter, this is our total price. We have price and we have total unit, and our total price is price into unit equal to this amount. Now you don't have to write all the cell manually, or you don't have to apply any formula manually. Just select the cell where you have just written the formula, hover your mouse at the bottom right corner of your cell, and when your mouse cursor changes to this black cross, double click there and it will autofill. This is an advanced feature you will learn in the next tutorials. So this is how you multiply in Microsoft Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.